咪咪，咪咪你也太可爱了。
哦。
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who
Vape? No. Beagle.
You ever just have a hard time finding parking for your Doge? Alright. You stay right there.
熊它，快点，熊它，熊它，快点，熊它。
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free?
No, 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 no. jumping on my sweater.
Ayo, something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
I'm the animal whisperer. Sitting with Maisie in the lady bed. Yeah, Maisie, in the lady bed. Oh my god.
Eddie, do you want to eat dinner? Do you want to eat together?
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, if you don't leave me alone, you're gonna have to send me home.
Come here, boy. Come here. Come here.
I think he's missing the point. Look, Blake, look at my hand.
Come here, boy.
Look at my hand. I don't have the leash anymore.
Come on.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries, so maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous.
I am tired of working all day while you just lay here. Wait. What is going on, Kyla? What the f? Are you secretly a squeaky toy?
My cat meows every time she gets pets.
Wow.